Hi, I'm Stacy. This is my husband, Joe. We live in Cranberry Township, and welcome to our kitchen and first floor that we had renovated by Pittsburgh's Best.
For us, the most frustrating part was dealing with post-trauma from a previous contractor who we've worked with. So we wanted to take the time, do the diligence, and find the right contractor to work with us.
We did a lot of research before we chose Pittsburgh's Best as our remodeling company. Ultimately, they went into details that nobody else went into with us and was really able to bring our entire vision to life.
We went through a few changes throughout the process with Missy. She was very patient with us. She showed us the renderings of our changes up on the screen live. And it was a very calm process for us to choose exactly what we wanted for our remodel.
The installation crew treated our home like it was their own home and really took the time and attention to detail to make sure that everything was not only done, but done right and done perfectly.
We also have two small kids, and the professionalism, the way they cleaned up after themselves, made sure everywhere was a safe space for our family. It was a very nice touch.
I think our favorite part about working with Pittsburgh's Best was the communication that we had all along the way. The app, BuilderTrend, was great to remind ourselves of the selections that we made and communicate with the project managers and the production team all along the way. I would tell anyone who's considering hiring Pittsburgh's Best to do your research, do your due diligence, but know that if you choose Pittsburgh's Best, you're going to be working with a team that you can trust from start to finish. We redid the layout of our kitchen, so I think my favorite feature of our remodel is just that all of the space is now usable and makes a lot more sense.
I'll add to that the quality of the work is fantastic. Everything is flush, even, gentle closing doors and drawers. It's a different place to be, and it's wonderful.
So we just want to thank Pittsburgh's Best for all of the time and attention that they took to make sure that our remodel was unique to us, not just like every other customer, and made sure that our house now feels much more like our home.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.